So there's a common theme this week. This house we're looking at today is also located in La Floresta. So this one is a good size, and the price on it is $619 because it's fairly large and it's decent. I think it needs a little bit of updating, but that's, you know, to each his own if they want to do that. I think maybe it needs like a new color scheme and maybe move the pool to the front yard instead of the backyard. But there's all kinds of things you can do with it. And there's like a little casita in this house too. And it's located in La Floresta. Like, you can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? So, before we get started, just need to let you know about our bed and breakfast and our cafe in Ajijic Centro. Both businesses won Best of Lake Chapala for Best Bed and Breakfast and Best Coffee in Best of Lake Chapala for the last 3 years. Our coffee is organic. Our bed and breakfast is amazing and super comfortable. Every room in the place has AC because it's very hot here these days, including the cafe has AC as well. And oh my God, rainy season is coming. It's my favorite time of year. So if you guys are thinking about coming down here, now would be the time. Not right now because it's still kind of hot, but the rainy season will be starting in about a month. So that would be a great time to come. If you want more information on these businesses, you can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and the Lake Chapala MLS. So you can see what we have on inventory in this area, see what you can still grab, because things are going very fast right now, guys. I'm not lying when I say this. I'm not just being a real estate agent when I say these things, okay? We're slammed. So come down and get them. Also, you can go to the contact form on my website and shoot me an email that way. Go straight to my email so we can start a dialogue that way, whether you are looking to buy or you are looking to list your home in the Lake Chapala area. And you can reserve your stay at our bed and breakfast there if you'd like, or you can just go straight to the website and reserve it there, whatever you'd like to do. Also on our website is the link to the bed and breakfast YouTube channel, so you can see all of our rooms in detail, because they all have a different decor in them, different tile, different everything. It's super fun. So, okay, let's go check out this property. This home is listed for $619,000 US. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom on one level. Construction size is 360 square meters or 3,875 square feet. The lot size is 786 square meters or 8,460 square feet. The HOA is about 18,000 pesos per year. It's partially furnished and it is located in La Floresta in Ajijic. Alrighty, and keeping up with our theme of La Floresta, the house we're checking out today is located right here. And here's the pool that I was telling you about, which you saw in the video, that I would move from the backyard over to this side yard right here, because this is the casita as well. And these are your windows and porch right here. So it'd be really cool to have the pool here with, you know, some fountains coming off of this mural wall right here. Okay, let's check out what's going on in this area. And I told you guys last week about this is Upper La Floresta or Mountainside. This is Lower La Floresta or Lakeside. And the highway that runs all the way from Joco to Chapala is what divides it. And what do we have near here? Tobolandia is a fun water park for the kids if they want to go there. What else do we have around here? Wednesday Market, I've explained that. Yeah, not too much. Tío Cintley, delicious restaurant. If you guys come down, eat there. Also, eat at Tango, okay? And then you're very, very close to San Antonio Tlayacapan, which has a lot going on. You can go into the town here. It's predominantly Mexican culture in San Antonio, so it's really cool to just kind of escape the craziness of Ajijic and come into San Antonio and just relax. Do what the Mexicans do and just hang out. You know what I'm saying? La Paseña is also a delicious seafood restaurant. Quite a bit going on through here. There's a movie theater in here as well. What else? I feel like I described all of this in my last couple videos this week of La Floresta. So if you missed those, go ahead and check those out. Okay. Oh, I just want to say, let you guys know, if you're a golfer, this is a 9-hole golf course right here in Chula Vista, and it's beautiful. If you were to bebop over to Walmart, it would take you 9 minutes to walk or 5 minutes to drive. To get to San Antonio Hospital is a 7-minute drive. To get to the Chapala Malecon is a 15-minute drive. And let's say just for fun you wanted to go explore Joco, that's a 33-minute drive. And to drive to the airport is about the same amount of time, 37 minutes. Not too bad. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this property. I hope you enjoyed this home. And if you would like to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I will see you for the next video. Bye.